Hello, friends! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. Today, we're reviewing the Iron Eraser Rust Remover, a product that claims to make vehicle cleaning easier than ever. According to its marketing, it's powerful enough to remove stubborn iron particles, brake dust, rust contamination, and dirt from wheels, brakes, and even body panels. But the big question is Iron Eraser Rust Remover worth buying, or is it just another overhyped car cleaning product? First, let's talk about how products like this work. Iron removers are designed to react with tiny metal particles that stick to your vehicle's surface. These particles often come from brake dust and road debris. When the product reacts with iron contamination, it typically changes color, showing that it's working. The good news is that iron removal technology is not new. Many professional detailers use similar products to prepare vehicles for polishing or waxing. If Iron Eraser contains an effective formula, it may help remove contaminants that regular car shampoo cannot handle. However, there are a few things buyers should keep in mind. No rust remover can magically restore severely rusted metal parts or repair long-term corrosion damage. If advertisements suggest dramatic transformations in seconds, those claims should be viewed carefully. Another factor is value for money. Before purchasing, check customer reviews, ingredient information, return policies, and whether the company provides clear contact details. Products with very limited information or unrealistic promises should always raise caution. So, is Iron Eraser Rust Remover worth it? Based on its advertised purpose, it appears to be a potentially useful detailing product for removing iron deposits and brake dust. But whether it's worth the price depends on its actual formula quality, customer feedback, and your vehicle cleaning needs. Our recommendation is simple: do your research, compare reviews from multiple sources, and avoid believing marketing claims alone. Have you tried Iron Eraser Rust Remover? Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching Online Scam Advisor. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews and scam alerts. See you in the next video. Thank you.